Do you want to know how to do affiliate marketing on Amazon? Then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss a video every time I upload one. I publish videos every week and I'll always make content that is going to help you make a success online, especially if you are working in affiliate marketing. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing on Amazon. Amazon is an absolutely huge platform with millions of products. And I think literally everybody has at one point or another bought a product on Amazon, right? So whatever niche you are in, there will be at least one product that you can recommend. So why not be an affiliate for the product and make a commission in the process? It's very, very easy to become an affiliate for Amazon. So I'm going to share my screen, show you exactly what you have to do. You'll be an affiliate in no time at all. And make sure you watch the video until the end, because after I've shared my screen, I'm going to come back on the big screen and just tell you a little bit about the pros and the cons about being an affiliate for Amazon. Let's go. So here's what you need to do. You need to go to Amazon, right? I'm on amazon.co.uk, but you could go to amazon.com. It's the same thing. And you go all the way down until you find this associates program. You click here and you click here, sign up. That's it, really. It's going to ask you to log in to your Amazon account. If you've ever ordered anything on Amazon, you have an Amazon account. If not, just create one. It's dead easy, right? Once you've logged in, you sign up, you fill in a few things. I can't show you because, of course, I've signed up already. I'm already an Amazon associate. But once you've, it's really very straightforward, right? Once you've signed up, you are going to get an email which looks like this one. I'm going to show you. There you go. This tells you that you are an affiliate, right? And it gives you a unique Amazon Associates ID here. And then you basically click here to go and get your links. I'm going to show you. So click here. And then I'm just going to pause while I log in. Give me a sec. So once you logged in, this is what it's going to look like, right? And then you are going to search for the products that you want to recommend. So you click here on product linking and click here on product links. And then this is what you're going to have. So you might know the exact reference, what's called an ASIN number of the article that you want to, of the product that you want to promote, the specific thing you're promoting. Or you can just search. If you don't know the exact number, you can just search. Let's just say that I'm promoting a ring light, right? That I use that, for instance, for my videos. So I'll just search ring light. So basically, it's going to give you the products, exactly like when you search for a product on Amazon that you want to buy. And let me just move my little picture there. So then let's just say you want to promote this one, right? You would click here, get link. And I will show you. There you go. Here you now get taken to this page, which don't be intimidated. It can seem a little bit complicated. There's all sorts of options, but honestly, the easiest is just to click here, text only,
right? And here you go, you have a huge HTML link, but you can just click here, short link, and look at that. You have this really super pretty link, which you can simply copy and paste, onto your blog. If you have a blog and you're writing an article about how to shoot videos, and you're recommending the best ring light ever, so then you would just put a link to you would highlight the word that you want to link to the product, and then put this link in. You can do that on YouTube as well. If you're making YouTube videos about certain products, maybe you're reviewing, in my example of a light, you're reviewing different lights that work well when you're shooting videos, right? And then you can, in the video, you can say, look, if you want to check them out on Amazon, there's a link in the description of this video, and you would put this link. That means that this link is basically coded to you. That means if I were to share this link with you and you clicked on it and went to buy the light from me, I would get a commission, right? And that is basically how it's done.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a like and you subscribe to my channel. Now, I promised that I would give you a quick run through the pros and the cons about being an affiliate for Amazon. So first, let's go with the positives. The positives, in my opinion, are it's easy. There are millions of products. So whatever niche you are in, you will find at least one product, but probably many products that you can promote and recommend. And I would say one big pro is that many people shop on Amazon. So, Amazon is a big platform. It's very, very well known. People trust it. So if you send people, if you give a link to to a product on Amazon, people are not going to think maybe this is a scam, right? So this is a massive advantage. Now, let's look at the negative sides. Now, in my opinion, one of the big negative of being an affiliate for Amazon products is the low commissions, okay? The commissions are really low. I can't tell you what they are because it kind of regularly changes, but I know that it's low. It's like way under 10%. So of course, if you're promoting products that are cheap in the first place, and you're only making a small percentage, then commission, then it's not very profitable. Well, let's say you're going to have to sell a lot of products, right? So that's one disadvantage. And the second big negative, in my opinion, is that when you give your link to somebody, if they don't buy straight within 24 hours, then they are not what we call in affiliate marketing sticky cookie to you anymore, right? Many people click on the link, go back, think about it, right? And then only buy a few days or even a few weeks down the line. Now, for many products, for all the products, for instance, that I'm an affiliate for, once somebody has clicked on the link, this link is linked to me if I make a sale further down the line, right? A few weeks, a few months, sometimes even for a lifetime, okay? That's called to be sticky cookied. Now, the problem with Amazon products is, as I say, you are only cookied for 24 hours. So whoever clicks the link and doesn't buy straight away, you basically lose the sale unless they go and click on your link again, right? So that I find is a negative. But, if you're promoting products that are found on Amazon, if you're recommending these products, you might as well be an affiliate for Amazon, right? You don't have to be only relying on Amazon to make an income, okay? It can be one source of income and you can be an affiliate for other products. So I encourage you to go and sign up. Now, if you are new to affiliate marketing and you would like some free training, you can click on the link underneath this video, officialsophiebuy.com. You'll get access to some free training, and also you'll be in contact with me through email, and that way if you have any questions you can just contact me and I'll be happy to help. If you have any questions about affiliate marketing, about this video in particular, just leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I see it. I'm always very happy to help. Also, if you want me to make a particular video on a particular topic, make sure you let me know in the comments as well. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.